Dear learners, welcome to the world of GK. For all competitive exams like SSC, banking, railway, UPSC, state PSCs, etc. In this lesson, I am going to teach you 50 important previous SSC questions. This will give you an idea about the type of questions asked from different sections. Let's start. First one, which Indian river flows through Rift Valley? Narmada. Second, Shivaji's Council of Ministers was called as Ashtapradhan. Third, working of hydraulic brake explains Bernoulli's law. Fourth, chromosome number of a human being 46. Fifth one, largest tiger reserve in India, Jim Corbett. Sixth, first cotton mill in India established in Bombay. Seventh, the longest river of peninsular India, Godavari. Eighth, Tehri Dam built across the river, Bhagirathi. Ninth, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place on 13th April 1919. 10th, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam situated in Andhra Pradesh. 11. The item education belongs to the concurrent list. 12th, milk of magnesia is a suspension of magnesium hydroxide. 13th, the doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. 14th, equatorial regions experience hot and humid climate. 15th, when barometer reading dips suddenly, it is an indication of storm. 16th, mushroom rocks are typical landforms found in deserts. 17th, Abhinav Bharat Society founded by Veer Savarkar. 18th, the Gandhara art flourished during the period of Kushanas. 19th, which Indian ruler is known as Samudragupta? Which Indian ruler is known as Indian Napoleon? Answer, Samudragupta. 20. 100 years of war fought between England and France. 21st, folk painting Madhubani is popular in Bihar. 22nd, who is known as Lady with the Lamb, Florence Nightingale. 23rd, in which year UN General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. 24th, Japanese form of flower arrangement, Ikebana. 25th, non-aligned movement was founded in Belgrade in 1961. 26th, electron microscope was invented by Max Knoll and Ernest Ruska. 27. The lines joining places having equal pressure, isobars. 28. The term equinox means the day and the night are of equal duration. 29th, in India, maximum manganese produced in Orissa. 30th question, father of geometry, Euclid. 31st, Waterloo is located in Belgium. 32nd, Mount Everest is named after a Surveyor General of India. His name is Sir George Everest. 33rd, the Kharif cropping season is from July to October. 34th, a place where there is constant intermingling of salt water and fresh water, estuary. 35th question, the first state to adopt Panchayati Raj, Rajasthan. 36th, Galvanized iron is made by coating iron with zinc. 37th, heat from sun reaches earth by radiation. 38th, the metal present in insulin, zinc. 39th, India's first lunar mission, Chandrayaan-1. 40, Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra was a master of Odissi dance. 41, Kalinga Prize is given in the field of science. 42, the term butterfly stroke is related to swimming. 43, scientific drawing of maps, cartography. 44, Air Force Academy is located in Hyderabad. 45, first Indian Nobel Prize winner, Rabindranath Tagore. 46, Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics situated at Kolkata. 47th, Allah Rakha was exponent in the field of tabla. 48, Shaking Minaret is located in Ahmedabad. 49, Ukai Dam was built across Tapti River. 50th question, headquarters of Interpol is at Paris. Let's revise these 50 questions once. First question, which Indian river flows through Rift Valley? Narmada. Shivaji's Council of Ministers was known as Ashtapradhan. Working of hydraulic brake explains Bernoulli's law. Chromosome number of a human being 46. Largest tiger reserve in India, Jim Corbett. First cotton mill in India, established in Bombay. The longest river of peninsular India, Godavari. And Godavari is the second longest river in India and the longest river of peninsular India. Tehri Dam built across the river Bhagirathi. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place on 13th April 1919. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is situated in Andhra Pradesh. The item education belongs to the concurrent list. Milk of magnesia is a suspension of magnesium hydroxide. The doctrine of labs was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Equatorial regions experience hot and humid climate. When barometer reading dips suddenly, it is an indication of storm. Mushroom rocks are typical landforms found in deserts. Abhinav Bharat Society founded by Veer Savarkar. The Gandhara art flourished during the period of Kushanas. Which Indian ruler is known as Indian Napoleon? Samudragupta. 100 years of war fought between England and France. Folk painting Madhubani is popular in Bihar. Who is known as Lady with the Lamp? Florence Nightingale. In which year UN General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? In 1948. Japanese form of flower arrangement, Ikebana. Non-aligned movement or NAM was founded in Belgrade in 1961. Electron microscope was invented by Max Knoll and Ernest Ruska. The lines joining places having equal pressure, isobars. The term equinox means the day and night are of equal duration. In India, maximum manganese produced in Orissa. Father of geometry, Euclid. Waterloo is located in Belgium. Mount Everest is named after a Surveyor General of India, Sir George Everest. The Kharif cropping season is from July to October. A place where there is a constant intermingling of saltwater and freshwater estuary. The first state to adopt Panchayati Raj, Rajasthan. Galvanized iron is made by coating iron with zinc. Heat from sun reaches earth by radiation. The metal present in insulin, zinc. India's first lunar mission, Chandrayaan-1. Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra was a maestro of Odissi dance. Kalinga Prize is given in the field of science. The term butterfly stroke is related to swimming. Scientific drawing of maps, cartography. Air Force Academy is located in Hyderabad. First Indian Nobel Prize winner, Rabindranath Tagore. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, situated at Kolkata. Allah Rakha was exponent in the field of tabla. Shaking Minaret is located in Ahmedabad. Shaking Minaret is locally called Jhulta Minar. Ukai Dam was built across Tapti River. Headquarter of Interpol is at Paris. Now I will ask you 2 questions. Please answer the 2 questions in the comment box. First one, folk painting Madhubani is popular in which state? Second question, Ukai Dam was built across which river? Please don't forget to comment the answers in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel so that I can upload more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.